Hey everyone, my name is Keqing Song. I am the community manager on the Fusion 360 team. You can see behind me, we're at BattleBots 2021 World Championships. There's about 65 teams here in Las Vegas competing for that #1 title. And yeah, we want to give you guys an inside look at some of the teams, what they're like, what inspired them to design the robots that they've designed, and yeah, just an inside look. So come on in and let's check it out. Let's start with your name again. What is your name?
Mateus.
Mateus. This is a big team, you guys.
Yeah, we are 8 guys.
That's so cool.
We are all from the same university in Brazil.
Okay.
And the team is from about 20 years ago.
Oh wow.
It's a college team since 2001.
Yeah.
The team started in our university.
Gotcha.
And every year comes new people graduating.
Yeah.
And enter new people. Then there's a lot of stories.
That's so cool. So you guys all got together because you all loved robotics?
Exactly. We have a famous robot that competed in robo games here in the US.
Okay.
That's called Federal MT. It's a 60-pound version of Black Dragon.
Dang.
So the inspiration comes from Federal MT. That's about a quarter of this weight.
Wow.
So we are here since 2019,
Yeah.
competing for the 3rd season. Last year we got the third place.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
So today we're trying to get even.
That's so cool.
Far.
That's so cool. So are you guys all? Do you all study engineering or different backgrounds?
We are all engineers.
Ah, okay.
But in the team,
Yeah.
Because it's from our university, so we have another graduations and people who do biology.
Yeah.
Administration.
Yeah. So did you guys design this in a CAD software as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
We designed this all in Inventor.
Inventor. Okay. Yeah.
All parts are designed on PC.
Yeah.
And we send to our sponsors to machine it all.
Yeah.
So
That's so cool. Do you feel like designing it in CAD helps design the robot in real life? Like, does it make your lives easier to design in CAD?
Oh,
It's all about that.
It's all about that because everything needs to fit to be really
Precise. Yeah.
precise
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
tough.
Yeah.
So we count with the assembly on the CAD system.
Sure.
And it all works together.
Yeah.
We have to make weight, so all pieces we have the weight
Yeah.
software.
That's so cool.
And that's it. That's all about that.
Wow. Okay. Did we help you make any parts yet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's see like what parts we've made.
It's simple parts. They are.
Aqui, ó. Pode falar que fez a roda e tá certo.
Oh. Okay. So we made this. This goes where? This goes like.
This goes right
the
here.
switches.
That's-
Oh. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And you guys made the keyway as well.
The keyway.
It's over there.
Oh. Okay. Oh wow. Okay.
That
Sweet.
also helped us to
Yeah.
machine the keyway
Sure. Yeah.
of the shaft.
And this is one of the wheels, right?
Yeah.
It's like a pit stop.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Just like a racing.
Just like Formula One. That's right.
Yeah, big wheels.
Love it. Cool. Okay, I have a few last questions. So out of your team, who is the nerdiest person?
Oh, I think it's his.
Why? Why is it?
Smartest guy
Oh, it's the
here.
smartest. That's so cool. Okay. Who's the clown? Who's the one that cracks the most amount of jokes?
His.
Yeah.
He looks really serious.
Oh, look at his hair. His hair. He's a funny guy.
Nice.
Oh wow. His hair is like the same of his.
Oh wow. Yeah. Oh, that's
They're
beautiful
funny
hair.
guys.
That's very flowy hair. That's awesome. Okay, and then for each of you, I want to know what is your favorite pop culture robot? So like, what is your favorite robot in pop culture? Let's start with you.
I love like Wall-E.
Wall-E. Okay. Yeah.
it's
Love Wall-E. Yeah. How about you?
I don't. Follow o vídeo.
Não, Big Hero is
Big Hero 6. Oh, Big Hero 6. Okay, cool.
Crazy, right?
Yeah. Really cool robot. Yeah, anyone can. Who else?
The most impacting for me is R2D2.
R2D2. Oh, classic. Yes. Well, hey, thanks so much for talking to me.
Yeah.
And it's great to know, the team and meet you guys. And we wish you guys good luck on your fights. And we're rooting for you.
Thank you.
Go Brazil.
Thank you so
Go
much.
Brazil.
Thank you guys.
Vai Brasil.
Oh, no
You
problem.
are doing a great job here, helping everyone.
Oh, thanks so much. Yeah, we love to be here. That's so cool.